Hi friends, today in this video I am going to talk about an appliance which I have never covered in my channel till date. It is about my recent air conditioner purchase. Choosing an AC isn't about cooling anymore, it's about smart features, health and most importantly energy bills. So it was quite challenging since we had specific requirements, a 1.5 ton, 5-star, 2026 model and it had to be a Japanese brand. Why? Because we had some bad experience with one of our earlier ACs which stopped working after 2 years of purchase. We wanted that long-term reliability. However, when we went to showrooms, most of them were pitching their own preferred brands, especially the 2025 models in which they were offering more discounts. After a lot of research, we zeroed in on this premium Panasonic model NU18 BKY5WX, which we finally bought on their e-store. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know before you decide to buy. Let me first discuss the cost. The MRP of this 1.5 ton 5-star AC was 44,990. But let me tell you what we finally paid. We didn't have to pay the MRP because we sold our old AC and got a buyback value of 4,000. And the process of buyback was very smooth and simple, and the amount was credited to my account. An additional discount of 3,000 on using a specific credit card made this premium 5-star Japanese model affordable for me, as the final price came down to 37,990, plus of course the installation charges of 699 plus GST, which was very less compared to the 1200 to 1500 plus GST the other brands take. During the unboxing, the first thing I checked was the build quality. Both the build and the finish is amazing. You can see that it is white color model. You also get another model in gray color which costs 6,000 more. This model uses 100% copper with shield blue plus coating, which helps in preventing rust. For someone like me who looks for 10 to 15 year reliability like my Bosch dishwasher, this gives assurance and confidence. And in the box I also got remote control with a remote control holder and two AAA batteries and of course a manual and also one filter. So let me mention some of the basic specs of this AC. This is a split AC 1.5 ton and 5-star rated with ISEER value of 5.8. So it has got a rated annual power consumption of 681 units. It works from the lowest temperature of 16 degrees up to maximum temperature of 55 degrees. It can be operated with voice assistant with Amazon Alexa or Hey Google. And it has got a 4-way air swing. So this is a smart AC, meaning it has Wi-Fi and works with the MirAIe app. It also has this 8-in-1 convertible modes. If you're alone in the room, you can make the AC work up to 40% capacity. So from 40% to 100% capacity, you have different modes. All these can be selected on the MirAIe app. So how to install and set up and use the MirAIe app, I'll be doing a detailed video on that. So stay tuned to my channel for that. This AC comes with 1-year comprehensive warranty, 10 years on compressor, and crucially 5 years on PCB. There's a special offer on the website by which by paying $499, we get 6-year comprehensive warranty. That is additional 5 years. Instead of 1-year comprehensive, you get 1 plus 5, 6-year comprehensive warranty. And the warranty includes evaporator coil, condenser coil, IDU fan motor, ODU fan motor, internal air swing motor, gas charging on compressor. This is the most important, gas charging on compressor. In addition, you get 1 more year of warranty on PCB after the 5th year. So this makes great value for money and you can live in peace for 6 full years. Delivery and installation. We booked on Saturday, so we got it the next working day, that is on Monday, and the installation was done on Wednesday. And the installation was a smooth process for us because it was fixed on the same place as the earlier AC. So both the indoor as well as the outdoor installation was a simple and easy process. So is it worth it? If you want a 1.5 ton 5-star AC which is smart and saves on bills and comes with the Japanese reliability, then yes, It is a great investment for 2026. If you have questions about noise levels or any special features, drop in the comments. Very soon I'll be coming with a demo video explaining various features and also a 1-month usage review. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Till my next video, it's bye from Bhuvana.